Sakalayan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Maharaj Parikṣit, now your duration of life is limited to 7 more days, so during this time you can perform all those rituals which are needed for the best purpose of your next life. Shukdev Goswami, after citing the example of Maharaj Katvang, who prepared himself for the next life within a very short time, encouraged Maharaj Parikṣit by saying that since he still had 7 days at his disposal, he could easily take advantage of the time to prepare himself for the next life. Indirectly, the Goswami told Maharaj Parikṣit that he should take shelter of the sound representation of the Lord for the 7 days still remaining in the duration of his life, and thus get himself liberated. In other words, everyone can best prepare himself for the next life simply by hearing Srimad Bhagwatam, as it was recited by Shukdev Goswami to Maharaj Parikṣit. The rituals are not formal, but there are also some favorable conditions which are required to be carried out, as instructed hereafter.